more time. Alright, ready? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. In today's video, as you guys can see or probably hear, it is raining like crazy. This is gonna be my first ever rainy day POV drive video, as you can see by the title. But yeah, man, I haven't recorded a video in the rain yet, so this is gonna be my first video that we have on here that's gonna be in the rain. But yeah, man, we're gonna go on the highway, we're gonna do some stuff. We got a 15-minute drive ahead of us. But yeah, I don't know if you guys see in the video, but my headliner, if you guys didn't know, it is off the car, so you guys are gonna be able to hear all the rain and every single sound, including how the car sounds of the exhaust. Crazy, because the headliner does block some sound, obviously, but the headliner is off. If you guys don't know, you know what we're doing to it. But for those that know, they know. For the rest, you will see on this channel. I'll post it as soon as everything is ready. But you guys will be able to hear the rain sounds. You guys will be able to hear the car sounds. Like, it's gonna be even 10 times louder because the headliner is off. But yeah, man, today we're just gonna be doing a little rainy day POV drive video. You guys went absolutely crazy on my last POV drive videos, which I appreciate all you. Thank you guys so much. Let me know what type of POV drive video you guys want to see me do next. But yeah, man, if you guys do want to see me do a video where I have traction control completely off, all the windows open, and we're just floating anywhere, even if we see a cop and we go crazy, I need you guys to get this video to 250 likes. If this video gets 250 likes, we will go ahead, turn traction control off, and floor it on every single time. We're gonna floor in every corner. We're gonna go crazy, man. But if you guys do want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. And of course, get this video to 250 likes. But yeah, again, guys, I say this in every video. I in no way, shape, or form think this car is something crazy. Nothing like that. This is just I'm just recording my journey because I know a lot of you want to see these POV drives, and you guys appreciate it. And I do appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much. But yeah, we're gonna keep doing it for all the ones that do enjoy. Or if you guys want to hear a lawnmower or how a Catless Camry sounds, whatever you guys want to say. But yeah, if you guys didn't know, as you guys see, I do have a new steering wheel, which I told you guys we're gonna get rid of it in the last videos, but we did get rid of it, and now we have a red one finally. I don't know why this guy's stopping. He could have went, but it's all good. Yeah, as you guys see, it does say KBTuning right here. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's pretty slow down here. But we do have a matching shift knob for this steering wheel as well. It says KBTuning on top. But if you guys do need your own steering wheel, it doesn't have to be for a Camry. They have it for 100+ year make and models. Go hit them up, send them a picture of your current steering wheel, what year make and model you have. They can get you a steering wheel for the lowest price out there. As you guys see, I do have OEM replacement carbon fiber power strips, which sound amazing. They're literally mechanical. But yeah, man, I love them. It's fully replacement. There's literally no, my OEM ones are gone. It's fully replacement ones. So yeah, man, it's amazing. Yeah, we can use them on the highway if you guys do want to see if they're real or whatever. But yeah, man, again, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Let me know how the quality is, let me know how the sound is, all that good stuff. But yeah, man, we got a 50-minute drive, so we're gonna be careful. Obviously, it is raining. Red light, come on, turn green, turn green. It's green light down there. I'm not trying to miss this red light. I mean, this green light. A lot of you guys were saying in the comments of one video that did go crazy on here, which again, thank you all to everybody who did show support. Basically, everybody was saying this car has a CVT transmission, but it does not have a CVT transmission. It does have a 8-speed automatic transmission, which is why it does come in manual mode. I know some CVT transmission vehicles do come in manual mode, but it's like mimicking it. It's not really like a legit thing, which I don't know why they put on a Camry. I guess because this is the sportier model. But then again, I'm really glad they did come with it because it's very fun. It's so, like, anybody that has manual mode in their car that use it, you guys know it's amazing. But yeah, man, this car is not a CVT transmission. It does have a 8-speed automatic, which once we get a little more down the highway, I can show you guys some, you know, downshifts and me using manual mode, that good stuff. And again, guys, I do not think this car is fast. It's not fast at all. It's my daily. I do mod it quite a bit just to make it, you know, enjoyable. But I don't think this car's fast at all. There's way faster cars out there. But you guys all love these POV drives, so I'm gonna keep doing it for you guys. But yeah, man, it is raining like crazy right now. You guys could probably hear the sound way more than usual, only because I have my headliner off. But it's all good. If we get pulled over, that'll be very funny. is actually crazy. I'm surprised there's no traffic right here, but let's not jinx it. Let me show you guys in this LED, oh my god, it's better. LED screen on the steering wheel. Tells you in a shift. I think I have it set to flash at around 4,500 or something like that. But we'll show you guys later in the video. But man, this rain is crazy. I don't know if you guys see the rain on camera, but this is crazy. I think I've driven in crazy rain than this. It's not that bad. Oh, jeez. My last video on the channel was actually installing this steering wheel, so if you guys want to see the process on that, go watch that video. It was a pretty nice video. Got it installed, everything's looking good. As you can see, we got the red dash panels. The car's coming together pretty neatly. So yeah, man. And I don't know if you guys see on the video the ambient lighting either, but when it gets to the point where I'm driving, like actually like going crazy, I'm gonna stay quiet so you guys can hear the car, hear how the power shifter sounds, stuff like that. But right now, I don't think it's looking too good as it is raining. There's so many cars over here. There's one car up ahead that's holding us all back. That's what I hate about New York, man. Especially New York. There's just one car up ahead of all of us that's holding everybody back, man. It's annoying. A lot of people did ask me what's the difference between sport mode and normal mode and like manual mode, all this stuff. They wanted to know what's the difference between all that. What does it really help and all that stuff. But basically, when I put the car in sport mode, it just holds the gear a little bit higher. It downshifts a little bit harder, and yeah, it lets me hold the gears a little bit higher, so it's more aggressive. But yeah, manual mode lets you manually shift the gears. So if I'm in like 6th gear right now, I can press this minus paddle shifter, and it will go down to 5th gear because it's not a CVT; it's an 8-speed automatic. So it's actually, I'll be able to actually downshift, and it'll sound good and all that good stuff. But yeah, man. If I'm in normal mode, it's still good. It's not like crazy, but it's gonna basically, it's gonna shift the way it wants to be able to save the most gas, if that makes sense, you know? The car is economically tuned, so even sport mode is the same thing, but at the same time, you know, it is a little bit better. So we just got past all the people now. Look, there's literally nothing ahead of us. So that's how you guys know, in the rain or even normal day-to-day driving, there's so many people on the highway that just cause traffic because they're hogging the left lane or they're driving 20 below the speed limit. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I hate these type of people. The people who, when they see it's raining, they have their hazards on. I hate these type of people, man. I hate it. I don't even know how the right lane's faster than everybody else right now. It's great. Yeah, there's too many puddles here. We're gonna chill. guy's causing traffic, man. Come on. Oh, man, you can't see? This guy's holding us all back right now. What the hell, man? Oh, I just lost traction right there. There's too many crazy puddles, man. People that live in New York, you probably know what this highway is. I'm not gonna say it, but this highway, I hate it because of how curved. Like there's literally every like half a mile, you got a curve to the right, curve to the left, or something. This guy is crazy, bro. Of course, we got somebody else blocking me in this white car right here. It's good that it's raining. I only say that because I had a lot of bird poop on my car, so I don't want to, you know, have that on my car for too long. But Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Kareem to everybody who is participating. Shout out to all my Muslim, you know, supporters and everybody that's watching this video who are Muslim. Appreciate you guys. So whoever's watching this video, thank you so much for watching. But yeah, man, if you guys didn't know, if you guys are watching my content, you didn't know, I am Muslim. So obviously I am fasting for Ramadan. You guys probably can't even hear me because I'm trying to talk, but the sound of the rain and the car, it's not working well. But it's all good. Right there, I thought there was a big puddle right there. We're gonna chill here only because I know that over here is where the craziest people, or like people that don't know how to drive, are right here, right before we get on Bell. No, try not to hit these puddles. It's all good. Uphill a little bit, so we should be good. For my first rainy day POV drive, I need you guys to bear with me because obviously I'm not really used to the camera setup still. But yo, this van, please don't, if this van has on because of the rain, oh my god, that's crazy. People like that I don't understand, man. I don't. This guy in front of me is this really an X5M or is this an X5 with a fake M badge? No way it's actually this bad, man. That's crazy. You know what? Let's slap it into manual mode. Oh, you guys heard how it downshifted. Let's downshift again. Okay, downshift one more time. Alright, I'm gonna wait till it flashes red, then I'll shift for you guys, show you guys how the LED screen is. Let's downshift again. got enough room. But one more time. Alright, ready? Alright, we are going back. But that was to show you guys what the LED screen looks like when it does flash. I have it set to around 4,500 or I think 4,800. But that's only because I don't really, you know, go past that amount in this car. So I feel like I would want to know. But then again, you can customize it. You can set it to whatever RPM you want. You can set it to 200 RPM if you want it to flash when you're at 200 RPM, which the car literally idles at more than that probably. But it's up to you guys what you want to set it at. It's fully customizable, which is what I love about these steering wheels. So if you guys are interested in copying one, go ahead and KBTuning _ on Instagram. Send them your vehicle, your make and model. You know what type of design you want. They can give you a quote. But yeah, they don't have a website for these parts right now. All they have on their website is plate covers. But I believe they do have a website in the works right now, so you guys do want to, something if you want to wait on that, or if you want to just go get a free quote for the steering wheel so you're ready to know how much you're going to pay. But yeah, financing is available for them. I believe they have some financing options. But yeah, man. I do really hope you guys are enjoying today's video because it's my first ever rainy day POV drive. And yeah, man, we didn't really push it to the limits because we still got to get used to the camera setup, and I didn't want to go crazy in the rain. And maybe if we were going on a better highway. Oh shit. As soon as I said that, man, you guys just saw the car got pulled to the right. Oh my god, that is crazy. That is actually crazy. Alright everybody, I do really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you all. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you guys have any questions, or if you want to see any types of other videos, let me know in the comments down below. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, love you all.